Hello and welcome to Bloke on the Range. And active range today, so lots of noise. Sorry, not sorry. Right, now, M1 Carbines. They're pretty cool and handy and have a bit of a mixed reputation. They're sighted to 300 yards, so I thought, why don't we have a look at 300 meters, because we don't do yards here, and see what it can do. Now, this particular one is a Winchester receiver. It's got an early scalloped bolt. It's a real classic post-war bits of rebuild. With an M2 potbelly stock and bayonet load and all of that. When it got to me, this is the joy of buying things unseen online, it had a massively over-rotated barrel, so Matt of M426 has fixed that one right up for me. And I've just warmed it up and got it on target. We're shooting some MagTech 30 carbine ammunition, a brand new mag that is awful and has been giving me trouble. So we'll see what, if anything, we can achieve with this. I might be wrestling the rifle. And I'm going to put 10 rounds on an A10 target, which is the ISSF target, 10, 20, 30, 40 centimetre rings. I've got it laterally zeroed with the sight quite a long way over, still, even though the barrel is not overturned to any meaningful degree anymore. I still have to aim just below the top of the backing board, so it's still quite high. But let's just see what happens. This is interesting. The zero has shifted from a few minutes ago. Let's just bring it 2 clicks right and see how far that goes. And the back one. Way. Stoppage. That's the last round. Well, we like to show it how it is on Bloke on the Range. The first 2 shots were miles apart. I'm keeping a consistent point of aim above the black. I can't see the black when I'm shooting. I think we would rate this as you wouldn't want to stand there accurate. It's not. Okay, this is a PDW to replace the pistol, and that it does very well. But 300 yards, 300 meters, it's not a target rifle. It was never intended to be a target rifle. Yeah, I think it's enough to keep people's heads down, but you're not going to be wanting to actually use this as a rifle. In World War II, it sort of didn't get used that way so much. In Korea, you see particularly the M2s, full auto ones, being used more and more prolifically. But yeah, I mean, I'm sure I had a point, but other than just show what this particular rifle would do at 300, it's not a... Anyway, I hope that was at least vaguely interesting. So if you like this sort of thing and you want to support us doing it, please support us on Patreon. If not, that's fine. Just like and subscribe and share our videos and bye.